Good morning everyone. I'm Hansika Pradesmi. Today and 15 August.
At first,
I wish you Happy Independence Day. It is the National Festival of India.
this is
This is
a proud day
This is a proud day
for
for everyone,
every Indian.
every Indians.
I love
I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.